I am here at the Montezuma Pass, about to start the Arizona Trail. I start by going down to the southern terminus because there's no way to drive to it. You have to hike down 1.5 miles to the beginning of the trail at the border and then start your hike up north. So this is the way to the southern terminus, and I'm on my way. It is very pleasant now. It's about 62 degrees, and the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. And here we go. That is looking down into Mexico. Always nice to find a bench in the middle of nowhere. Here's a bag that has been abandoned. It's most likely from an illegal alien. Here's the official start of the Arizona Trail. Marker 102 right here. And here's part of the wall that was not completed. And this road actually was not here before when I did it in 2019. So you can actually drive right up to this terminus from the dirt roads that way. But here we are. This official start of the Arizona Trail, the southern terminus. Right on the other side of this fence is Mexico. And it is 9:51. I started at 9. I made it here in 50 minutes. And here's about 100 yards of border fence, border wall. That way, right there on the other side, is the US. And I'm actually in Mexico. So I'm an illegal alien in Mexico. There's a horned lizard. Hello, my friend. Hello. They're just coming up from the southern terminus, right behind me. Hello. Introduce yourself.
I'm Christina.
And you are here because?
My husband just started the Arizona Trail northbound today.
And you're going to be supporting him, you say?
For parts of it, yes.
For parts of it. That's
Yeah.
wonderful.
Yeah.
And you're a runner, I see, right?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. What kind of running do you do?
Just for fun.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, long distance,
yeah,
daily?
Yeah, not daily. Depends on. I like to fast pack is what I like to
Oh,
do.
okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah, I've done some ultras, but yeah. But right now, it's more for fun. I'm training for life.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And you're from South Dakota, one of my favorite states.
Yep, that's
Yeah.
where I live. I'm from Sweden originally.
Oh, you're from Sweden. Hey, hey. Ska vi dansa, snygging?
Kan du svenska?
Yeah.
Det var inte dåligt.
I thought I detected an accent. I used to go to Sweden every year for Lindy Hop Camp at Herräng,
Okay.
which is north of Norrtälje,
Yeah, okay.
in the town called Herräng. Yeah,
Herräng.
Hallstavik.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just north of it. Just
Okay.
10 kilometers north of
What
Hallstavik.
did you do there, you said?
I danced at the Lindy Hop Camp, American swing dancing,
Oh, okay, yeah.
and I taught there also.
Okay.
It goes on every year. It's
Oh,
a
wow.
1-month camp.
Wow.
And so I learned a lot of Swedish,
Yes, it was good.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Yes.
And I love Sweden. Oh my God, I love Sweden.
Yeah.
Nothing like fika. I love fika. 11 o'clock at night and it's daylight like this,
Yes. In the summer.
in the summer,
Really
yeah.
dark in the winter.
I've always been in the summer, so
Yeah, that's the best time to go.
yeah.
So, well, good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice meeting
Enjoy.
you.
Nice meeting you too.
There's the border wall right there. And here's the road down there to Montezuma Pass, which is right there. You see it? It's windy up here. That's our trail this way. I am almost at the top of the climb, and this should be a great camp spot if you're just doing a one-day hike up here and back down to Montezuma Pass. And if it wasn't so windy, it is extremely windy. But there's a great view down here. Down there. Look at all those homes. Here is illegal alien activity on the trail. I am not going to the peak. Continue on. It is so windy. Look at that. The trail is snow covered. I'm stepping where other hikers have stepped. That's the best strategy. And also the wind has died down completely because it was coming from my left, the west. And I'm blocked by these mountains, so the wind is not hitting me, thank God. I'm coming up to Bathtub Spring, a perennial spring, which is right on the trail, and there it is. There's the bathtub. There's always water at this spring. Clear water. So I'm going to get 2 liters here and then continue. The trail goes that way. This water is crystal clear, so I'm using this Therapen ultraviolet to purify the water. It is 5:40, the tent is all set up. Not an ideal spot, but it'll do. And this spot right here is shielded from the wind. Just like 20 feet up this way, behind where those girls are set up. The wind is fierce. There's a spot there, but I'm not going to camp there. The wind is howling over there. I got a lot of wind protection here. Alright, now to set up inside the tent and then to make dinner. Guys, it is 7:45 and I am pooped. So I'm gonna hit the sack. It's gonna be pretty cold overnight, I think down to 38 degrees. So I got all my layers on. So I should be okay. So I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, it is 7 o'clock. I just packed up. We got snow last night. It got down to 32 degrees. It was fun. So now I'm just gonna pack up and start walking just to get warm. I had a couple of snacks for breakfast and I'll eat later when I get down to lower elevation. Well, we are off. I hope it gets sunny later. I want to dry the tent. So we shall see. We are being blasted by wind and snow. Wow. We are hiking down Sunnyside Canyon and the sun has come out. We left that storm at the top of the mountain. Boy, that was horrible. But we survived. Boy, this wind is not letting up. We're about a mile and a half from the Parker Lake Canyon trailhead. That away. I am nearing Parker Lake. The girls took the road to Parker Lake. They have a campground there for tonight. I'm going to go have lunch there and then get a ride back to Tucson from one of the girls. Wait, action! Introduce yourself.
Chris from Tucson. Kat from Tucson.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Peter from Chi-Town. And I was just going to say, you know, only in Arizona you get sun and hail at the same time.
Only.
This weather is crazy.
Lovely day on the trail.